Hadian ke jing enok kam jong chairman berem ke Meghalaya Farmers Empowerment Commission, ha ke jing elang jong ke kenhun Menteri Sarkar ke Jela, ke belalong menta ke sengi, kala syemi kerai bentung no yoba PS Thangkhiew, ban Shimti ya ke kam chairman jong ke Meghalaya Farmers Empowerment Commission. Kumban syukdo kendian, boba PS Thangkhiew, udai Chief Secretary berem jong ke Jela. Menteri rang ba ke Jela, konrat ki sangma, ula pentip ya ke ni syakilat patai khubor, hadian ke jing elang jong ke kenhun ki Menteri Sarkar menta ke sengi.
The first decision that was taken by the cabinet was the appointment of the chairman of the Meghalaya Farmers Empowerment Commission. As you're aware that earlier chairman had resigned at personal grounds, and hence the post was vacant. So there was a committee that was set up, and this committee has proposed the name of Shri PS Thangkhiew, our former Chief Secretary, and he will be appointed, and the cabinet today has approved his appointment and his name for the post of Chairman of the Meghalaya Farmers Empowerment Commission.
Kini kor komputer kiba internet bador badar ni di hajan jongpi hangne hadukan jongi han Nongpoh Town Shopping Complex Harishan Enterprise haka kamera kaba shispa iway refurbished laptop but desktop phun hau number pra iway layar not sau pra sansau lane pra lainyo arnyo sawar drunyo. Pidon kam projector ban peni film ne pidon kam projector nak bentai ki awareness program jongpi phun singi ni ai wai shapi pranyo laiwei khandai ndruiwei arnyo lai.